I'm going to show you how to do a hazier matte black and white edit. This is the black and white matte edit that I just showed you how to create. So I'm going to create a virtual copy. And then I'm going to leave all of my settings the same and just add a little bit more haze to the picture. So I'm going to do that under the tone curve. So come over here to the tone curve and drag this up. The higher up you go, the more haze it's going to add. And then once you adjust your tone curve, if you would like to compare the two, you can see the original matte black and white edit and then the hazier matte black and white edit. If you would like to adjust it at all, go ahead and make any adjustments. And then I'm going to see if there are any other things I need to adjust before I'm done. I'm going to compare them one more time. I'm actually going to redo my filter. I'm going to take out some of the contrast. I'm going to compare the two pictures. Once I'm done, I'm going to create a preset. So I'm going to go to Develop, New Preset, name my preset. Then I'm going to save my preset. It's going to put it over here. Then I'm also going to save my tone curve. And then that's going to add that over here.